Ever wondered how to instantly spot the opposite faces of a die? Well, here's your chance to sharpen that skill. A standard die can be placed in 24 different orientations, and in this quiz, you'll see it shown in several positions. Your job? Observe the numbers or symbols on the visible faces and answer the problem. Stay sharp. You'll have just 30 seconds to crack each question. Ready to roll? Let's jump in. On the following dice positions of a die, find the digits that are opposite to the digits 2 and 5, respectively. Time's up. When we solve a problem with dice, the fastest way to solve the problem is to remember the rules to find out the opposite faces of the dice. In this problem, the rule applied is when two elements are common in both dice positions, the elements that are uncommon in the two dice positions are opposite. Compare dice positions A and B. We find that 2 and 3 are common digits. As a result, the other two digits, 5 and 6, are opposite. By comparing dice positions C and D, we notice that 1 and 5 are common digits. As a result, 4 and 3 are opposite. To summarize, 5 and 6 are opposite, as are 4 and 3. As a result, the residual digits 1 and 2 are opposite. Now, please try to solve the next questions within the stipulated time. Which digit will appear on the face opposite to the face having digit 3? Which symbol will appear on the surface opposite to the surface having the symbol percentage? Which alphabet will appear on the face opposite to the face with the alphabet D? If the surface having digit 5 is on the top, which digit will be on the bottom surface of the die? Excellent. Thank you for completing the test. Now is the time to assess your answers. Please watch the video carefully. In all the problems from 2 to 5, the rule applied is when two elements are common in both dice positions, the elements that are uncommon in the two dice positions are opposite. If we compare dice positions A and C, we notice that 5 and 4 are common digits in both dice positions. As a result, the remaining visible surfaces with 3 and 6 are opposite one another. By comparing dice positions A and D, we observe that star and number are common symbols. As a result, the remaining two visible symbols, dollar and percent, are opposite. Compare dice positions between B and C, where the A and C alphabets are common. Therefore, the remaining alphabets, D and F, are opposite to each other. When dice positions A and D are compared, we see that surfaces with 1 and 3 digits are common in both dice positions. As a result, the remaining visible surfaces with digits 5 and 4 are opposite.